All right, so now let's go through this. This is number 7. Let's now do question 7. So, all right, to say question 7. What is part A saying? List all of the subsets of B. All right, so let's first put B. What is that B? It's going to be the set with what? The set with A, and then it has inside it a set with B and C. So it has A, and then it has the set with B and C. Now let's list the subsets. It's easy. So remember the subsets. It means just take parts of this. The first subset is the empty set, right? The empty set is the first subset. Then it's because we know that the empty set is a subset of every set. Then a set with only A is a subset of B. Because remember when we say subset, remember I said the secret to killing this tutorial is to understand the difference between subset and element and stuff, and to also understand cardinality and then the word parser. So when we say a subset, we means make a set that inside it has things that are found inside the main set. Okay, so in here I can see that this set here inside it is A, and if I go to set B, I'll find A. Then now I'll make another one, which is the set with a set with B and C only. Okay, so if I look inside this set, what do I see? A set with B and C. Do I go and find it in here, a set with B and C? Yes, I do. So that's going to be another one. Then the last and final one will be the set with A, then the set with B and C. Okay, because we know that every set is a subset of itself. So here I have listed the subsets. I've listed them. Okay, I have listed them. This is what we mean by that. We've listed all of the subsets. Now let's go to part B now. It says let A be A, B, C, D. So A is equal to the set with A, B, C, and D, right? All right, so now what is it saying? Find the power set P of A. Remember, the power set is just a set that contains all the subsets. So we can just say the power set of A is going to be the set that has all the subsets. Let's make the subsets. So we now know how to do it. Okay, we are making, it is a set that contains sets. Power set is a set that has sets. What type of sets? Subsets. Okay, so first we open the power set. Then in there we start to put sets. So I'll put a first set, which is a set with A, because A is in here, right? Then next I'm going to put a set with B, because B is in there. Then next I'll put a set with C, because C is in the main one. Then next I'll put a set with D, because D is in that one. Then next I'll put a set with A and B only. Then next I'll put a set with A and C only. Then next I'll put a set with A and D only. Okay. Then next I'm going to put a set with B and C only. Then next I'll put a set with B and D only. Then next I'll put a set with what? Next I'll put a set with C and D only. Okay? And then once I have the set with C and D, then I now start to do the 3. Next I'll put a set with A, B, and C only. Next I'll put a set with A, B, and D only. Next, I'll put a set with A, C, and D. Then next, I'll put a set with B, C, D. Then next, I'll put a set with A, B, C, D. Then next, I'll put the empty set. Okay, the set with nothing. Then I have made the power set. Okay, here's the power set. And you'd be done. These are all the subsets. And you make the power set. Okay?